Thinking about applying for the US Bank Visa Platinum Card? Whether you're looking to consolidate debt with long 0% intro, APR offer, or just want a simple credit card with no annual fee, this card could be a great option. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to apply online. Start by heading over to the official US Bank website. Once you're on their homepage, look for the credit card section. Scroll until you find the Visa Platinum Card. It's usually listed among their low interest or balance transfer cards. Click on it, you'll be taken to the card's detail page. On this page, take a moment to read through the key features like the introductory APR period and other terms. Once you're ready, click the Apply Now button. This will bring you to the application form. Now, the application will ask for basic personal details, your full name, address, phone number, and social security number. You also need to provide your employment and income information as well as your housing situation and monthly rent or mortgage payment. After you have entered everything, double check that all your information is accurate. Then scroll down and agree to the terms and disclosures. Hit the submit button to send in your application. And once you apply, US Bank will typically give you an instant decision. In some cases, they might need a bit more time to review your application, especially if they need to verify your identity or income. And that's it. You have officially completed your application for the US Bank Visa Platinum Card. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or next steps from US Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy walkthroughs like this one. Drop any questions in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out.